Thanks once again for tuning in. This is my makeshift workshop set up in my garage. It's got a bit of work to do. This episode is pretty special. I'd like to say thank you to all of my viewers. I've currently hit 2,000 subscribers and it keeps growing. And in today's episode, I'll be showing you a cardboard marble sheen that I made. And also a special thank you to my top 5 viewers from India, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Philippines, and the USA. And thank you for showing interest in my channel. I'll keep it going as long as I can. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. I won't go through the entire process, otherwise the video will go for a while. However, I'll show you the fundamentals. I'll be showing you how I built the funnels, the tower, and just one of the tracks. The funnels are made of a 1mm cardboard stock, cut into a circle, and then I bring those two arcs together to create a funnel. There you can see I'm clamping it. I also build a couple of support rings which will maintain the curvature of the funnel, but also provide something to mount the funnel to, such as a tower, as you'll see in the next clip. You need at least 2 towers to carry the different components, and the towers will be varying in length to ensure there is some sort of a slope, enabling the marbles to keep flowing down. Here's an example of a track I made. You can make any track you want. I just want to create some delay in the actual flow of the marbles, and you can see here I'm cutting 1/2 of the wall so I can create that bend and then slowly glue it onto the track itself. The track is then mounted between the 2 funnels at a slope, just to ensure that the marbles always have some sort of potential to fall down. And your imagination is the limit. Here's an example of the track. Like I said, you can have any track you want. And here's how I mounted at least the first 2 components, including the second funnel. And I've got a bit of wall around it to stop it from falling off. Here's another sort of car park track that I built as well. Here's the junction. Like I said, you can experiment with anything you want. And let's see the final product. And once again, thank you so much for watching this episode. If you have any questions or you want something else built, just let me know. See you next time.